Begin this progressive relaxation meditation by getting your body in a quiet, comfortable reclining position, adjusting your hips and shoulders until you feel as comfortable as possible. When you're ready, close your eyes and take some gentle breaths, just settling into your body. Beginning at your feet, gently tense and relax your left foot and ankle, pulling your toes up toward your head and tensing all the way up your leg. Now relax your left leg, ankles, and foot, letting all the tension go away. Now do the same with your right leg. Tense all the muscles in your right foot, ankle, and calf, noticing the tension. And then releasing, letting everything go. Continue working your way up your body, tensing and relaxing your left arm and then your right, gently tensing and relaxing all of the muscles in your body as you go. Tensing and relaxing all the way up to the very top of your head. You can even tense the muscles of your face, closing your eyes shut tight, pursing your lips, and letting your entire face just go loose. Mouth hanging open, everything letting go. When you reach the top of your head, imagine that you are in the shower or under a gentle waterfall on a warm day in a beautiful place, maybe somewhere you've been, or a beautiful place you create in your mind. Feel the water as it flows over your head and down the back of your head and face. Smell the freshness of the air and let your body absorb the moisture as you relax your head, neck, and shoulders. Notice how the water cascades over your shoulders in smooth sheets, caressing your arms, elbows, wrists, and each finger as it drains off your hands. Just let go of these muscles as they begin to feel the relaxing sensation of this warm water. Feel the water running down your back and hips and down your neck, chest, and abdomen. Feel these muscles releasing and letting go. Think about how relaxing this is to your baby. Warm, safe, and comfortable inside your relaxed body. Now focus on the water flowing down your legs to your knees, to your ankles, to your feet and toes as it washes away the pressure of the day. Continue breathing and resting in this relaxed state for as long as you need to. And when you're ready, open your eyes.